This video is going to show you how to make pea soup. First you need 1 stick of margarine melted. Then we're going to take 1 container of microwave bacon. We're going to chop it into pieces over here. I found the easy way to do it is just take a pizza cutter and just cut them all at once, all the way across. So you can grab a hold of the pizza cutter a lot easier, keep it steady. And then once you got them chopped, then we're going to put it into the pan, fry the bacon. It won't take long because it's microwave bacon. It only takes 2 minutes in the microwave, but we're going to put it in here with all our spices so we can get our spices the flavor going. That is 1 pack of microwave bacon, half a cup of margarine, which is 1 stick. Then we're going to put a whole tablespoon of chopped onion flakes in there. That's a tablespoon. We're going to do a teaspoon of thyme in there. Then we're going to do a teaspoon of basil leaves. And when you fry the spices, it brings out all the flavor in them. I'm going to do a teaspoon of parsley flakes. Teaspoon of regular salt. Teaspoon of regular pepper. And a teaspoon of chopped garlic. I get it in a jar. You can put fresh garlic in if you want, but I just find chopped is easier. Teaspoon of that. And that is all our spices that we need. Now we're just going to mix all that up with the bacon, fry the bacon till it's crispy. You're going to need 4 cans of peas. One of them we're going to puree in our little food processor because that will make the soup thick. You need 2 cans of peas and carrots. You drain all the juice out of the can and just put them, all the peas and the carrots, in another pot so they're ready. Once this bacon fries a little bit, then we're going to put 4 cups of chicken broth in it and 2 cans of cream of celery soup. And then we'll add all that to the peas and carrots. We're also going to put in, I boiled some potatoes. We're going to cut up a couple potatoes, and that'll make the soup thicker too, because we want a nice thick pea soup. So we're going to let this fry for a little bit. Only take a couple minutes. Like I said, it's microwave bacon, but we want to release all the flavors and all the spices too. Okay, the bacon is nice and crispy and fried. All our spices are letting all their flavors out. We're going to dump our 4 cups of chicken broth in. Turn our heat down to medium. That's 4 cups of chicken broth right into our bacon and spice mixture. We're going to put in our 2 cans of cream of celery soup. They're 10.5 ounce cans, cream of celery soup. Just adding it right in there. Then we're going to mix everything together. Also, while we're doing this, I pureed one of the cans of peas in my little baby food processor. So we're going to take that and add it to our mixture here. This will make the soup naturally thicker instead of using cornstarch or any other kind of thickening agent, flour or anything. We're just going to use the peas because they are a natural thickening agent, along with the 4 boiled potatoes that I boiled earlier and let cool down, and then peeled them and put them in with the peas, cut them in little pieces. That will help thicken the soup also. I'm going to get all our pureed peas out of here. Our broth has creamed together, and in this pot I have the 3 cans of peas, 2 cans of peas and carrots, and 4 baked potatoes chopped in pieces. And we are going to add our broth to that. And we're going to just mix it all together. On medium heat. Just going to stir everything together till it's all nice and combined. Then once it's all combined, we're going to put it in the oven for an hour on 350. I transferred my soup into a bigger pot because I don't want it to boil over in the oven. So once you get everything together, we're going to put it in the oven on 350 for 1 hour so everything gets flavored clear through it, and then it'll be ready to eat. After an hour in the oven, our pea soup is done, nice and thick and creamy. I hope you like the recipe for easy pea soup. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Till next time.